Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plantsnap, plant identifier, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plantsnap is an AI-powered plant identification app developed to help users quickly identify flowers, trees, and plants by simply taking a photo. The app leverages a vast plant database and advanced AI algorithms to deliver accurate identifications along with detailed information on plant care, habitat, and characteristics. It also features community sharing, allowing users to save favorite plants and contribute to the collective knowledge. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Plantsnap's user-friendly interface and the speed at which it identifies plants. The app is praised for its extensive database and helpful educational content. It's especially useful for gardeners, nature lovers, and students. However, some users note occasional inaccuracies, particularly with rare or similar-looking species, and a reliance on internet connectivity for best results. In summary, the Plantsnap app may be worth using if you want a quick and easy way to identify plants and learn more about them with minimal effort. However, if you need highly precise botanical identification or offline use in remote areas, it might have some limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.